Hi everyone and welcome to the Tracklution product update of May 2026. This month we are releasing two new features. The Tracklution MCP for AI-assisted analytics and setup workflows and automated bot traffic blocking. First, the Tracklution MCP. Tracklution now supports MCP, which lets you connect your AI assistant directly to your Tracklution account. Instead of manually going through dashboards, scrolling through data and looking at different installation instructions, you can just ask questions from your AI assistant in plain language. For example, show me all purchases that came from Google Ads for last month. How did my campaigns perform last week? Or just simply, what connectors do I have active? And if you want to install Tracklution to a new website or a new container, you can just let the AI assistant do it for you. So, if I'm being honest, this feels like a big shift which is happening in the tracking world right now. Instead of debugging through different dashboards, going through different datasets, or manually installing tracking on your site, you can just outsource all of this to your AI assistant, which can do it for you. You can treat your AI assistant basically as an external consultant or external analyst and ask it questions, help to troubleshoot, or do the whole installation, all in natural language. Then on to the second update, which is automatic bot traffic blocking. We have developed a bot tracking system, which basically gives a score to each visitor and detects if they are likely a bot or not. And you can use this directly inside your Tracklution container in the event block rules. So, for example, you can create a new rule in event block rules that blocks all traffic when the bot score is above 0.85. By doing this, the bot traffic is blocked before it even reaches your Tracklution container. This feature lets you reduce fake conversions, spam traffic, and noisy attribution data automatically. And that's it for this time. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment so we know if you like these new features, and see you in the next videos.